And folks, running a little early this evening. Basically my brain is shutting down. I'm going to blame it on allergies. But we'll see. So today got work on two different things done. The short going into the GRL anthology that I was working on with Caitlin has been finished. Did a 1,663 words on that one today, coming out to a total of 5,288 words. Our minimum was 5,000 words. That one got cranked out. Did not finish Skylar Mars and the Crystal Claw, but I did get work done on it. It is now up to 48,639 words. So about 14,000 words to go to hit what the first book was. So that brought me up to 4,333 words for today. Brings the grand total up to 140,139 words since this whole thing began 60 days ago. The drawback is I'm 24,201 words behind, which is a few words fewer behind than I was yesterday. Now, if I stick with the pattern that I started in May, I should have a wrap-up tomorrow night. The problem is tomorrow night we will most likely be at Dana's preparing for fair on Saturday. And so I'm going to go ahead and do my wrap-up tonight for the month of June. Summer months are notoriously bad for me as far as getting words down. There's always something going on, fairs going on, prides going on, travel to prides, travel to cons, etc. So often leaving me with just 2 to 4 days a week for writing. So coming in this close to 50,000 words for the month of June was not horrible. And July's normally a little better because Dana's normally gone, so we're not doing production during first couple of weeks of July. We'll probably be doing a lot of production toward the end of July. So we'll see about that. We'll also see how much I can get done in August before it's time to take off in August. So I'm not really worried at this point about things because I can make up the words that I'm behind come September, October, November. The thing with this million-word challenge is it's long haul. It's not a sprint. I'll get there. I'm not going to panic at this point over being 24,000 words behind because I'm not going to stay there. I'm going to get caught up and then we're going to get ahead. And then something will happen and we'll fall behind again and we'll get ahead again and it'll just kind of yo-yo back and forth. So, as long as I keep a slow, steady progress, that's what's going to count. Let's see, how many days this month? Of course, I gotta click on the right thing here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's going to be 11 days out of 30 that I didn't get any work done this month. And there's a couple of these days where, I missed my word count goal big time just because of things going on, or editing or what have you. You know, but like I said, we don't freak out and just keep going. That's how I'm going to pull this off. So last month we ended the month out ahead. Last month we were at 91,492 words, you know, versus the 48,647 words that I've done for June. Now that's a pretty significant difference, and you know, come fall and winter, differences like that are going to be what helps me catch up. So, but the goal is not to fall too far behind. So, all right, I'm going to show the numbers and then go ahead and get this posted. With the new phone, the videos are a little larger, so they take a little longer to post. So, again, not worried about it. So, okay. All right, so there's the 4,333 words for today, and the 48,647 words for the month of June, and the 140,139 words total, and our 24,201 words behind. So, all right, and you know, since the next 3 days are going to be really busy, yeah, we're going to start out July a little bit behind, but we'll get caught up on that. So, all right, everyone have a great weekend, and see you on Monday.